Alright, so here's this week's handin. I wanted the 5 extra points, so I added a little feature to my program, which I'll show you in a moment. So anyways, I set up the width and the height of the frames that I want inside of my program. I wanted to play a sound in my program. So I use the sound pixels, this unsigned chair, to check for a certain area within my frame, and if that area has a specific feature, then it plays a sound. And this I use the pixels for as a chart to store the pixels of the footage of the live recording. We allocate memory space for both images, and this is a sound that I'm going to play once the blue item hits a specific area of the screen. Alright, so if the frame is new, which is a boolean, then we get the pixels from the color image. I store them in the unsigned char, which we called pixels earlier, and then yeah, we go through the for loop. We define the red channel, the blue channel, and the green channel. If blue is larger than red plus 30 and blue is larger than green plus 30, then we set it to 255, and if not, then 0, which makes it a binary image. Yeah. So right. So once we've made once we've assigned a full unsigned an array with unsigned chars with the results that we want, then we assign them to another image, which I've defined in here. I know it says gray image, but it's actually a color image. And then from this gray image that we've defined, I check a specific area to see if it's white, because if it is white, we're going to give it a pixel count, and if the pixel count goes above 10, then we're going to play a sound. So what that means is basically that we need to have 10 pixels that are white within that specific area in order to play the sound. And then I set the pixel count to 0 once again. So this is something that was defined in the test app once I downloaded it, but I'm pretty sure that what it does is here it draws the color image, which was one of the images that we've defined up here with the pixels and everything, the gray image as well, and this basically draws the box around the background and the setting that you'll see in a moment. Okay. Alright, so let's run the program. Alright, so you can see I have something blue here. It's being tracked on the screen, and you see there's no sound coming out. I can move it to the top left corner. No sound. No sound. But if I move it to the top left corner, right now it's not making a sound, but that's because it's an infinite loop. While this thing is being held up here, there's not going to be any sound because it just keeps running the file over and over again and no sound comes out. But once I move it down again, you can hear the sound. Yeah. So move it up, move it down, up, up. You hear it? As soon as I move it inside. So every time the blue thing is on the top left corner, you'll hear the woohoo sound. Alright, that's it. So I hope you enjoy.